Carla Estrada personally comforts family of Tacloban shooting victim. Queen Mother Carla Estrada visited the wake of one of the victims of the bloody shooting that occurred at San Jose National High School in Tacloban City, Leyte, on Monday, June 22nd. During her visit, Carla expressed her heartfelt condolences to the family after the tragedy that shook not only the Tacloban community, but also the entire country. In a message, Carla said that there are no words enough to ease the pain that the families of the victims are experiencing right now. In her Facebook post, the actress host shared photos showing her comforting the family who had unexpectedly lost their loved one. Nakikiramay po ako at ang aking buong angkan ng taos-puso sa mga pamilya ng mga biktima ng pamamaril sa paaralan sa San Jose, Tacloban. Walang sapat na salita upang maibsan ang sakit ng inyong pinagdaraanan, ngunit naway maramdaman ninyo ang yakap ng ating komunidad sa panahong ito ng matinding lungkot, Carla Estrada wrote in the caption of her post. She also prayed for the victims' peace and promised support for the family members who were left behind. Dalangin ko ang kapayapaan ng kanilang mga kaluluwa at ang lakas ng loob para sa inyong mga naulila. Nandito kami, nakikiisa at nakikidalamhati, the actress host said.